So we're here at the University of Connecticut, the main campus in Storrs, and we have the most recent example of a low-impact development practice here, where a vegetated or a green roof is in progress here and being planted right now. So we have a nice contrast here to show the difference between what happens with a traditional roof and with a green roof. So we can see the older building here. This is Storrs Hall, and water that will fall on that roof is sent down through the gutters, through the gutter downspouts, and here was tied right into the stormwater system. So that's sent directly out to the local stream. It's in contrast now with this addition, water that falls on this particular roof is held by the media and transpired by the plants, and some of that water also just evaporates from the surfaces and goes back into the atmosphere. So green roof research that's taken place right here on campus shows that just over 50% of the water that falls on this roof is actually removed from the stormwater system and sent back up into the atmosphere. So right now this is actually being planted. These plants will fill in a little bit larger, and it'll look like a totally vegetated surface here. So there are a couple of different types of green roofs. What we think of as a traditional green roof might have a very thick layer of real soil up there, and you can plant trees and other woody vegetation. This is another type of green roof, a so-called extensive green roof. So we have some limitations here, but there are also some benefits. So with that traditional, very thick layer of soil, as you would imagine, you need a lot of structural support to be able to support that media and those plantings. So here, this type of media is a mineral type media that is much lighter and typically only about 4 to 6 inches in depth. So we are limited by this media and the type of plants that can be grown. So you can't grow large trees, you can't grow most perennial type species or woody ornamentals. But what will grow extremely well up here are a variety of plants called sedums. So they can tolerate the very harsh conditions that are present up on the roof here. So it's very hot and dry in the summer, the winds are very difficult in the winters, and they can desiccate the plants. So they're very tolerant of these conditions and will do quite well once they're established. So we have a very nice sitting area out here. This is going to be a great place to come and take a look out at the campus and enjoy the surrounding area here. There's classroom space below this building, so it's definitely multi-purpose. Another great example of UConn's commitment to low-impact development.